Hello, everybody. Welcome to our special National Nutrition Month Facebook Live.
All right. This year's theme is Food Connects Us because food brings people together across cultures, families, and traditions.
And today we're going to make a special recipe, herb potato salad.
So our focus today is potatoes. So we have our red potatoes here. They're a staple in so many cultures across the world.
Amanda, did you know that potatoes are actually from Peru, and we have more than 3,500 kind of potatoes, and we have them like 7,000 years ago?
Wow, that's incredible. So 3,500 different types of potatoes in Peru. That's amazing. And the best part is potatoes can be part of a healthy eating pattern when we prepare them in nutritious ways, like in today's recipe. You can also go on our website. So on snapednewyork.org, we have a potato tip sheet to learn more about the potatoes. So we can move on to our recipe.
Yes, today we already have the potatoes boiled, and they're going in a well shape, and potatoes are so important because they're packed with vitamin C, potassium, and fiber.
So they help us stay healthy, they help us stay full. Yeah, and red potatoes in particular, these have been boiled and cooled, so they hold their shape pretty well. When we pair potatoes with other food groups, we can make a well-balanced meal. Potatoes actually fall into the vegetable part of my plate, which we have over here.
So Amanda, you are a registered dietitian. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Absolutely, yes. So I am a registered dietitian. Registered dietitians have to go through pretty expensive training and education in food, nutrition, and health. So we have to have a prescribed curriculum in dietetics. We have to do at least 1,200 supervised practice hours, which is our internship. And then as of 2024, you actually need a master's degree to sit for the registered dietitian's exam. So we help people learn how to eat in a way that supports their health and lifestyle goals.
Oh my God, that's so important. Why might someone wants to connect with you?
So there are a lot of reasons someone might want to connect with a registered dietitian. It could just be people want help meal planning, fitness goals. It could be managing health conditions like medical nutrition therapies, when a dietitian will work with someone with diabetes or a chronic illness to help them develop a diet that meets their needs and keeps them healthy, but also just building a healthy relationship with food.
Those are like such a great sources, not only if you want to build like a healthy diet, but also for nutrition and just to have more a variety of vegetables and fruits in your diet. So that's amazing. Thank you for the work you're doing, Amanda.
Thank you. All right, exactly. So you can find dietitians through community programs, healthcare providers, or SNAP-Ed nutrition education, just like this. If you go to eatright.org, there's actually a Find a Nutrition Expert page where you can put in information about yourself. Like if you have a chronic illness, you can put in what kind of insurance you have, if you have Medicaid, private, or self-pay, and they'll match you with someone in your area.
So let's go back to the recipe. We're going to start with our dressing. We're going to put first half a cup of light dressing for a tasty, tangy. And now we're going to put the mustard.
This is spicy brown mustard, so it'll give it a little bit of a kick.
And let's put this away. And we have some garlic and some pepper, just like a simple dressing. And what else we have? We have the fresh parsley.
So I love this dressing. It's super, super easy. We just mix everything all together in this bowl. We're also using light Italian dressing in this case. So that's going to lower the saturated fat content of the food while still adding a really great taste.
Okay, and we're gonna mix a little bit over here.
All right.
And we have our potatoes almost ready, right?
Yep. So these you just want to cut into cubes. Like I said, they are boiled and cooled, so they're pretty easy to cut. They're going to hold their shape. So we can kind of build our salad now. So this is going to be our boiled potatoes, half a cup of red bell peppers and green bell peppers, which I've mixed together over here, and then green onions that's been chopped as well, which is what we have over here.
Okay, so now we're gonna add our potatoes, And potatoes are so important because it brings us together. We can share with our family. That's why food is so important. It not only connects us, it's a really nice way to stay with our families and share memories and bring us back to our childhood. So thank you, potatoes, for this.
Yes, and so we're adding our boiled potatoes to the dressing first. So we're tossing that together, cover that with the dressing, and then we're going to mix in the bell peppers and green onions. So these veggies are going to add a little more crunch, a little more fiber and flavor. Actually, these are going to have more vitamin C as well. So we're going to add the bell peppers and green onions next, and then so green and red bell peppers, sorry, and then the green onions.
Okay. It's such a colorful and bright plate. And a really well-balanced meal, right, Amanda?
Super, super simple, super balanced. Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of veggies in here. We want to pair this with probably something like a protein, grains, other food groups, but definitely a really healthy addition to a meal.
Okay.
Just like that, we got a simple, nutritious, and delicious potato salad. And if you're looking for personalized nutrition advice, connecting with an RD can be a really great way to get support. We can, help you find little recipes that fit into your diet that work for you, just like this potato salad. So you can go to eatright.org, like I said, find the nutrition expert page to find someone who fits your needs.
And also you can find this recipe in our website, snaped.org, and the link will be on the comments.
So try this recipe, share it with your loved ones, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite way to enjoy potatoes.
Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to all our channels. Thank you very much. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and let us know.
Happy National Nutrition Month.
Goodbye, everybody.